This guy sold his 10-second video clip for $6.6 million or 48 crores. His name is People. This guy sold his tweet for $3 million or 22 crore rupees, and he is the CEO of Twitter. They sold it with a technology called NFT. And they were not alone in doing that. Grims sold a 50-second long video for 2.8 crores. And Logan Paul just bought Pokemon cards for $2 million using NFT. So what is NFT and how did these guys make so much money? NFT is non-fungible token. Non-fungible more or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. For example, a Bitcoin is fungible. Trade one for another Bitcoin and you'll have exactly the same thing. But if I have an original painting of Mona Lisa, then I would be the only person in the world to have that original painting. And that makes it more valuable. But there's a problem. How can we guarantee that it is an original? Now that's where NFT comes in. Think of it as a digital sticker that guarantees that the product is original. So where can I get that sticker? Most NFTs are part of Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but its blockchain also supports these NFTs, which stores some extra information that makes them different. This extra information could be anything. For example, it could be the ownership right for a painting. Now that brings us to the most important question. So what can we sell with this NFT? It could be really anything digital, such as drawings, music. Say if I'm a composer of a music, I can sell the original copy and the rights of ownership to anyone who is willing to pay for it. Having said that, it is mostly used for selling digital art. But what if you get an idea? Instead of buying, why don't you download it for free? Now that's brilliant. But NFTs are designed to give you something that can't be copied. The ownership of the work. To put it in simple terms, anyone can buy a copy of Mona Lisa, but only one person can own the original. And that copy would be slightly different from the original, right? But here's the problem. In digital world, a copy is same as original. That is, I can download that 10-second video of People and it would be same video without any difference than the one for which a person paid more than $6 million. So what's the point of buying it? That really depends on whether you are an artist or a buyer. Say you are an artist. So you might be interested in NFTs because it gives you a way to sell your work. If you come up with a really cool digital sticker, what are you going to do? Sell it on iMessage App Store? No way. You would choose NFT. But what if you are a buyer? One of the obvious benefits of buying art is that it lets you financially support the artist you like. Second, it also gives you the bragging right that you own that art with a blockchain entry to back it up. And one day, the value of that NFT would go up because the artist could get famous and you would earn profit from it. This NFT gives us a unique opportunity. It could be used for selling or buying skins, stickers, guns, characters in games. And digital art is just the start. That's it for the video, guys. This is That One Teacher. I make videos on business news like this one, startup lessons and personality analysis. Until next time, thank you for watching.